The Insurance Apprentice 2022 is underway, and this year we have partnered with Growth in Motion, who describes himself as a dynamic people consulting business specializing in change enablement, organizational development, organizational and individual learning, with the aim of improving individual and business performance. Growth in Motion is this year our CPD partner, and they are handling everything CPD when it comes to TIA 2022. I thought it might be a good idea to talk to some of the team members and hear why they decided to get involved with TIA, and then also hear a bit more about the business itself. Today I'm talking to Anthony Campher, one of the MDs, and Mary Hutchison, Director at Growth in Motion. Great to talk to you, Anthony and Mary. So let's kick off the conversation. Please talk to me about Growth in Motion, how it started, what you do, the short version. Mary?
Thanks for having us, Rianet. So Jim started in 2003, focusing on learning, which we are passionate about. We extended a few years later further into the field of change management. And with this came a big need to design and develop content to support those change initiatives. And then, another curveball, a good one, during 2011, the bank sector approached us to run a knowledge call center for them. And when we had finished with that, came the introduction of the regulatory examinations, which we are, as you know, very good at. I'm hoping that's one of the reasons why you approached us to be a sponsor, because we are quite remarkable in that field. And so that is Growth in Motion, really, in a nutshell, and how the journey that we've on. We, in the last few years now, based on the need that's coming out of our clients and customers, we've now extended our scope into leadership coaching, which will align beautifully with what the TIA is doing. And we're running qualifications, learnership, skills programs, and of late, a lot of culture and climate programs is what a big ask is for business, especially post-COVID. So yeah, that's basically us now. Yeah.
Okay. I wanted to say that your website lists quite a variety of offerings. So I would suggest anyone who is keen to know more about the business should go and delve a little bit into your website, because I think you offer quite a nice variety of things. Is there anything else that you would like to highlight there?
Yes, look, I touched on change management. So just to showcase a little bit, so we do a lot of change management initiatives for big corporates. So we implement, and we don't just implement, we also help them build a change management capability in-house. So once we have left as consultants, the project or the initiative that was put online doesn't fall. It can continue because the capabilities are now there to help them with that sustainable route that they're going on. We develop, I would say, high impact learning solutions, and they're very learner focused, so that, and we use a blended approach, especially now, people want classroom and they want digital. So all of those capabilities are wrapped up quite nicely for the user, the client, the customer. And from an educational perspective, the unemployment rate is so high. So qualifications and learnerships and skills programs. And we also have fantastic payment options, so people don't have to pay up front. So that is also part of our offering.
Okay. Maybe I can take one step back. Anthony, what is your specific area of speciality?
Well, Rianet, I'm the head of the GIM Academy. I'm responsible for all the class of business training programs and all the CPD programs, from content development to certification. And that is pretty much what I've been doing, for the last 20 years in this industry. I've been involved in CFP certification for quite a long time, and all those principles and stuff, all that is part of our business currently. So for me, it's a great privilege to be part, of this initiative and to share my knowledge and experience with advisors in this way. And then obviously I also source subject matter experts to help develop content. And maybe this is a good time just to say to SMEs, if you want to get involved in content development, please be in touch with me.
Yeah, thank you. Mary, your area of speciality?
So what I would like to think, Rianet, is that, so I have change management, organizational development, coaching, and so a lot of these drive and support what we already offer at Growth in Motion. Also, in my background, my foundational started, and I would say one of the top insurers in the country. And we used to joke about it and say they were the training company of the world. And even if I connect with people from my past now, we still have and we say, remember we learned that at X company, and we can still use it up to today. So wow. I drive that continuous learning, because I know that and it's not just in the field of finance, it can be anything, but that hunger to learn and grow must be a need for every individual. So we try and put that into everything that we offer.
Okay. Anthony, I've approached you last year to partner with us. What was your immediate thought when you heard about the Insurance Apprentice?
Well, we immediately knew that this is an initiative that we want to be involved in. And we have clients across the financial sector, ranging from banks to asset management companies. And although we have some large clients in the short-term industry, we thought this is a good opportunity for us to build more relationships, to gain trust, and to grow our market share in the short-term sector. So we were in from the start.
Yeah, no, I know it was great. Our first meeting and catch up. I'm always getting excited when I talk about the Insurance Apprentice. So why did you agree to partner? I mean, what do you really like about what we are doing?
Well, our business is all about knowledge and skills development of human resources. And this was a great opportunity for us to just give back to the industry by becoming a sponsor for the Insurance Apprentice. And what struck us is that FAnews, together with the various sponsors, were creating an opportunity for people in this industry to learn more. And there was an opportunity for each individual or contestant to distinguish themselves from their peers by participating in this competition. And that was a great idea from our point of view.
Yeah, a natural fit, I would say. So
absolutely.
Part of the whole TIA journey is CPD hours. I think it's quite a key thing for many people. So obviously there are people who can earn CPD hours by taking part. Then we're not even talking about the task setters of the various tasks, and then obviously also people who watch the episodes. Tell us a little bit more about who exactly qualifies for CPD hours with TIA.
I think that is what's great about this whole initiative, is that anyone who participates in this initiative could qualify for CPD hours, from the contestants to the viewers. The contestants obviously spend a lot of time preparing for the filming, and they deserve the CPD hours. And then there's the individuals who prepare the content, as you've just mentioned, for the task episodes. They will earn CPD hours. And then everyone who watches the episodes will earn CPD hours, but they need to read the CPD articles, and they will have to answer some questions on the FAnews website, and then they will be eligible for the CPD hours, that this whole initiative has been accredited for.
It's definitely a win-win for everyone. So
absolutely.
Anthony, you've been obviously setting up the questions for us. So let's give the guys who watch the video a little bit of a head start into the filming that will take place soon. Your tip or two for contestants?
Yeah, I would say from a regulatory perspective that the changes to the General Code of Conduct are very important, as well as the basic phase requirements that's applicable to representatives. I would definitely focus on that from a regulatory perspective. And then from a product perspective, I would say the short-term insurance product knowledge, which is quite wide, as well as the knowledge of the various sponsors, will be very beneficial should winning this competition be your goal.
Cool. Lastly, Mary, maybe you can answer, and Anthony, you can touch on that. Growth in Motion. Jim, what can you offer companies and individuals? What are you really, really passionate about, and where would you love to get more involved? Let's spread the word.
Okay, no, definitely. So enriching and transforming lives is really the passion or the forefront of what we are passionate about. As I mentioned earlier, continuous learning is really big. So we encourage that through everything that we offer. I mean, you literally, like as Anthony was talking about CPD and COB, in our marketing campaigns on a weekly basis, we encourage people, don't just do it for CPD points, but do it because you want to become a better individual as well. So that is what we like to focus on. The one thing I want to touch on, people don't realize that they see us as just doing compliance. It's not that. We do have the coaching arm, we've got change management, we do culture and climate programs, we've done them for some of the government parastatals as well. So, you know, if there's a gap in your learning, just do not be afraid. You know, we are a website click, telephone call away, contact us. And for just like the TIA, we believe in empowering the leaders of tomorrow. So reach out to us if you find you have a gap in your learning, or there's an area that you want to grow. And even for those contestants and viewers who are watching, I encourage you to use this opportunity, grow, share, and then give back to the community, because everyone is hungry to learn. Really, they are.
Anthony, a last word from your side.
Yeah, Rianet, from my side, you know, I'm very passionate about people development, especially in the financial services industry. As I've mentioned earlier, that's what I've been doing, you know, for 2 decades, and so is our team. As we mentioned, you know, we currently help corporates meet the competency requirements for all their representatives from a regulatory point of view by offering the class of business training, the CPD. We can offer a qualification, and we can help people prepare for the regulatory exams, RE5, the RE1 exam. But what I think, you know, is a good initiative that we would like to focus on going forward is what we call our career enhancement opportunity. We really want to expand our career enhancement opportunity initiative to all graduates who would like to start a career in the financial services industry. We make them career ready, industry ready, and we enhance their opportunity of being appointed in this industry. I almost want to say guarantee them a job in this industry by putting them through this initiative. So anybody, a graduate who wants to see more about this initiative, can go to our website for more information. They will find it very beneficial.
Yes.
That's very exciting. That is really exciting. Thank you for your time, Anthony and Mary. Thank you for all your hard work you've done so far. We are super excited about TIA 2022, and we hope that we can get a massive audience, and that people will really, really learn through this journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Rianet.
Okay.